Northern end of Cincinnati's Over the Rhine is the latest neighborhood getting a cleanup and improvement blitz from the city. 9 News reporter Bill Price is here with more on the neighborhood's high hopes. Bill?
Well, Tanya, for the 11th time, the city of Cincinnati has picked out a neighborhood to spend 90 days, 3 full months, focusing on improving and revitalizing that community. And today it happens to be Northern Over the Rhine. That's the target. City government leaders were joined by police, firefighters, and Over the Rhine community organizers to kick off this 90-day neighborhood blitz effort. It'll be focused in the northern sections of Over the Rhine, north of Liberty Street and between Central Parkway and Sycamore Street. The aim is that various agencies and groups will all work together over the next 90 days to improve Over the Rhine, from police stepping up enforcement to building inspectors looking for code violations. Hopes are high that change will be visible there by July.
This is something that requires a true collective efficacy on the part of each and every person that's here today, each and every person that has an interest or stake in one way or another in this neighborhood. And personally, I can't think of anybody here in the greater Cincinnati region that doesn't have a stake in this neighborhood itself. In fact, the entire city that we call Cincinnati. This is an area right here that can make or break a city.
Now, the OTR cleanup is an important one, since in less than 18 months, visitors from around the world will arrive here for next year's World Choir Games. And many of those choir game visitors are expected to be housed in Over the Rhine during their stay. So city officials feel there'll be a lot riding on showing some real improvement in Northern Over the Rhine by this summer. Tanya?
Bill, thank you.